Welcome to an overview of the BellHawk operations tracking and management software. BellHawk is barcode tracking software that is used by manufacturers and distributors, as well as other industrial organizations, to track the flow of jobs and materials through their manufacturing plants and warehouses in real time. BellHawk provides an integrated operations tracking and management solution, which can be used standalone or automatically exchange data with a wide variety of ERP, accounting and engineering design systems. BellHawk tracks the receipt and put away of raw materials, their transformation into finished products, including tracking work in process, as well as the picking, packing and shipping of finished products to customers. This can include tracking individual containers, serialized parts, assemblies, and kits, as well as nested materials on pallets. The captured tracking data can then be used to trace back from defective products to potentially defective raw materials and forward from defective or contaminated raw materials to defective products and who they were shipped to. BellHawk is easy to use and its data collection screens are specifically designed for use by shop floor and warehouse personnel with limited computer skills. This is in contrast with requiring these people to do direct entry into ERP systems or even Excel spreadsheets, which are designed for office use, and can result in many data entry mistakes. Or, even worse, having these people write operational data down on paper forms for entry into ERP systems by office staff on the following day. By automating data collection, using barcode and possibly RFID scanning, BellHawk can quickly pay for itself by saving the labor of multiple people who would otherwise spend their time filling out paper forms, entering data into Excel spreadsheets, or manually entering data into ERP or other systems. Also, because data is captured in real time by people doing the work in manufacturing plants and warehouses, BellHawk is able to generate point-of-action warnings, in real time, to prevent both operational and data entry mistakes being made. This can save substantial time of managers and their staff trying to correct these mistakes after the fact, as well as losses due to rework or recalls. Because data is captured in real time, BellHawk is able to provide production managers with a real-time status of all their jobs, and materials managers with a real-time status of their inventory. This helps ensure that corrective action can be taken, when needed, to ensure that customer orders are shipped on time and that materials are available when needed. BellHawk can also monitor the status of jobs and materials in real time and issue warnings by email or text messages to managers and staff when jobs are running late or stockouts are about to occur. This is in contrast from getting reports from an ERP system about what went wrong yesterday, or even last week. In addition, BellHawk can reschedule operations in real time to dynamically recommend which tasks people should work on next, to help ensure that customer orders get shipped on time. This is instead of assigned tasks being based on an already outdated schedule from the morning's production planning meeting, or even worse, from an ERP system's weekly or monthly schedule which is, by now, hopelessly out of date. This saves production managers from micromanaging what each person works on next, and automatically compensates for operations on jobs that are running late. It also helps ensure that people do not cherry-pick the easy tasks to work on, to the detriment of promised deliveries. BellHawk can track the quality control, QC, status of materials to make sure that they pass inspection before they are used in production or shipped to customers. If a BellHawk user scans the barcode of a container of materials that has not passed QC inspection, they are warned not to use, pick or ship this material. The same applies if the materials are past their expiration date. This can prevent serious operational problems, which can lead to costly rework and recalls. BellHawk can also track defective materials to ensure that they are only moved to quarantine area before being disposed of. BellHawk is modular. Organizations can start out using BellHawk to just track the status of jobs or the receiving of raw materials and then turn on other modules to increase the capabilities of their BellHawk system without needing to change systems. As a result, BellHawk is affordable, with systems starting at a few $100s a month, making BellHawk an ideal choice for smaller and mid-sized industrial enterprises. Equally, BellHawk is expandable to be able to incorporate multiple plants and warehouses into one cohesive system as organizations grow. BellHawk consists of a specialized website, plus a SQL database, plus a variety of external interfaces. For simplicity, BellHawk can be used on a Windows server in the cloud at a remote data center. Alternately, BellHawk can be used on ruggedized Windows Industrial Internet of Things IoT computers, within each plant or warehouse, where maximum reliability and the ability is required to continue operations when the internet goes down. Also, IT support is minimized by the use of a web browser-based user interface which eliminates the need to load and maintain any special software on the PCs, tablets, mobile computers, and other devices used to capture data in real time. In addition, BellHawk supports automated collection of materials movement using RFID scanning and automatically capturing data from weighing scales. BellHawk can also exchange data with process control lines and test stands to feed setup and labeling data, as well as to capture process and test data. These days, it is not sufficient to simply ship good quality products on time. Products and their shipping containers must be correctly labeled, often according to GS1 standards, or products may be rejected, or significant financial penalties incurred. BellHawk can automatically print out the needed barcode labels as part of the normal data collection process, thus saving time and preventing mistakes. BellHawk's tag barcode labeling option enables mobile computer users to request that barcode labels be printed out as part of their normal data collection transactions, even though they may be thousands of miles from the server on which BellHawk is running. The label request is sent over the internet to the server, where a set of situation-specific rules select the printer, the label format, and retrieve the needed data from the BellHawk database. This information is then placed in a print queue on the server, from which it is picked up by the tag software running on a ruggedized IoT computer in the plant or warehouse where printing is needed. Tag then calls the bartender software, also running in the IoT computer, to print out the requested labels, at high speed on a local label printer. This can include printing labels on a portable printer attached to the mobile computer user's belt, if needed. In addition, customers are increasingly requiring data about each shipment be sent to them, as soon as the truck leaves, in the form of EDIASNs or EPSIS files. BellHawk captures this data in real time and can automatically send this data to downstream trading partners through its companion MilramX software or other third-party data exchange applications. Equally, BellHawk can use the data sent by its suppliers to automate its receiving process, thereby saving time and preventing mistakes. BellHawk can be run standalone or used in conjunction with the MilramX software to automatically exchange information with other systems. MilramX is able to intelligently translate an incoming flow of customer orders into work orders, picking, and shipment orders to be scheduled and tracked in BellHawk, as well as exchanging BellHawk data with ERP or accounting systems. This can include exchanging data with engineering computer-aided design systems as well as upstream and downstream trading partners. MilramX can be run on the same computer as BellHawk. Alternately, MilramX can be used on a separate Windows Server computer, in the cloud, to integrate operations at multiple warehouses and manufacturing plants, each running BellHawk on a separate IoT computer. In summary, BellHawk is an affordable and simple to use integrated real-time data collection, work in process, inventory, asset, materials tracking and traceability, barcode labeling, and operations management software that is integrated into one system, which can be used standalone or as a front end to a wide variety of ERP systems, or accounting systems such as QuickBooks. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please see our website at www.knarrtek.com or watch more videos on the KnarrTek channel.